My dear NEET champions, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve MCQs from NCERT Exemplar of the chapter Ecosystem. So you may feel the chapter is very small, so we could skip it for our NEET examination, but take it seriously because NEET questions will come from the small and also large chapters. So let's not waste our time. Before that, you please go through your textbook and come here, which helps you a lot. So let's go with the first question. I think I'm visible for you. Decomposers like fungi and bacteria are. So they are asking, decomposers like fungi and bacteria are what? You can see autotrophs no, heterotrophs yes, saprotrophs yes. So 2 and 3 is in option C. So option C will be the correct answer. Second question, the process of mineralization by microorganisms helps in the release of inorganic nutrients from humus. Yes, of course, it's inorganic nutrients from humus. Third question, productivity is the rate of production of biomass in terms of. So, see, my dear NEET aspirants, go through this question and let me see how many of you will get the correct answers in the comment section. This is a very tricky question, not like tricky, you have to think it properly, my dear students. So, the fourth question, an inverted pyramid of biomass can be found in which ecosystem? Forest, marine, grassland, tundra. It's marine. So let's go for fifth question. Which of the following is not a producer? Which is not a producer? Spirogyra, Volvox, Agaricus, Nostoc. Yes, Agaricus is not a producer. Sixth question. Which of the following ecosystem is most productive in terms of net primary production? Which of the following ecosystem is the most productive? Which is most productive? Yes, it's of course tropical rainforest. It is a direct question. All the questions are asked directly. In another video, I'll go with the PYQs. You can see that NEET PYQs are similar to the NCERT exemplar. The same question may not repeat in your examination, but the same type of question will be in your examination. So, next question, pyramid of number is always what? It can be upright, it can be inverted. So, it's either upright or inverted. So, the only pyramid which is upright, which never be inverted, is what, my dear students? It's pyramid of energy. So not only reading one questions give you the answer, you have to analyze the question and think how many question in the same pattern will come in your NEET examination. So approximately how much of the solar energy that falls on the leaves of plant is converted to chemical energy by photosynthesis? It's 2 to 10%, which is a memorizing question. You have to memorize all the numbers in your NCERT textbook, which is very mandatory for your NEET examination. Ninth question, among the following, where do you think the process of decomposition would be the fastest? So, where the decomposition will be very fast? It's in tropical rainforest. Next, 10th question. How much of the net primary productivity of a terrestrial ecosystem is eaten and digested by herbivores? They're asking for the herbivores. You have to keep it in mind. The questions part of the question will also be very important, which you have to focus a lot. It is 10%. 11th one, which of the following types of ecosystem is expected in an area where evaporation exceeds precipitation? So, and mean annual rainfall is below 100 mm. Which of the following types of ecosystem is expected in an area where evaporation exceeds precipitation and mean annual rainfall is below 100 millimeter? It's desert. Next, 12th question, the zone at the edge of A lake or ocean which is alternatively exposed to air and immersed in water is called what, my dear students? It's littoral zone. It's like you have to learn some more information so that you can easily solve your NCERT exemplar. But most of the PYQs till here I have seen are from your NCERT textbook. Don't get stressed that of other factors. First, make your NCERT very strong. So, edaphic factor refers to, this is the very easiest question, soil. Okay, thank you. Let me see how many of you got how many of your questions right. Comment it down. Bye bye. Subscribe for lots videos like this.